Hi dear, last September we had a visit to our cinnamon factories and cinnamon growing areas in Văn Yên, Yên Bái, the most cinnamon growing region in Vietnam. The first factory is nearly 1,000 meters wide, located halfway up the mountain. This way, agriculture staff will manually process cinnamon barks after purchasing them from the people. At this factory, employees only manually do basic operations such as scraping cinnamon bark, sorting cinnamon, and splitting cinnamon. Right next to this factory is a small cinnamon nursery garden of agriculture factory. This nursery is only about 30 meters. This will be where our staff plant seeds and select the best growing plants later. Because of the careful and scientific care of our staff, every seedling is very green and healthy. Agriculture's second cinnamon factory is about 20 kilometers away from the first, located at a higher altitude. This factory has 3 areas totaling more than 2,000 meters. The first is the cinnamon processing area. The staff here are equipped with cinnamon cutters to meet the different needs of the cinnamon in the market. Therefore, the cinnamon sticks processed here are very even and beautiful. The staff here are all people with many years of experience in the agricultural industry in general, and cinnamon processing in particular. The second is the cinnamon packing area for export. After being processed according to the customer's request, it will be transferred to this area for packaging. The third is the storage area for cinnamon after processing. Our factory can supply hundreds of tons of cinnamon every month. Look at this good cinnamon quality. We also have our own cinnamon growing area. This growing area is a mature cinnamon hill with an age of at least 5 years or more. Every tree is green because it's well cared for. Agriculture's third factory is the farthest, located high in the mountains and separate from the crowded living place. People here are very sparse and surrounding are vast fields. Unlike the previous 2 factories, this factory only supplies organic cinnamon. Because it was the weekend, there aren't many employees here, but you can see pictures of the extremely high-quality cinnamon sticks, with up to 6% essential oil content. The cinnamon growing area is also located right next to the factory. These cinnamon trees are planted in a hill, growing green and very healthy. You and Agriculture have finished visiting our 3 cinnamon factories and 3 cinnamon growing areas in Yên Bái. Hope this video will help you feel more secure when ordering from Agriculture. Follow Agriculture's social media pages and contact us to get the best quote. Thanks for watching this video.